Hey guys, welcome to another video. I got the rear luggage rack for my Ninja 650 in the mail, so I'm gonna get that installed. So that's the box, parts, and that's the part number. It's the rear luggage rack, and it will go, I believe you mount it here in one of these, and it comes out to be like right here. It's for a top box, but I'm not going to get a top box. That's going to look too bulky. I'm just going to use it for like a tail bag. The installation should be very simple. So let's go. All right. Everything seems to be in order. They're packed really well. So this will be the left side and this will be the right side. So basically it will go kind of like this. Now there are these two small spacers with this little part outside. So I will take out this screw, put this in there with this side inside, and I use one of these screws with this, and I'll lock it in. And for the middle part, there are longer spacers and shorter spacers. So I guess you can choose which one you want. So I chose the longer one. And same thing, I'll put the spacer here, like right here, and then right here, and then put the rack and then the bolt. And it looks pretty simple, so let's do it. Alright, so I got this one side installed. It was pretty simple. Now yeah, I didn't tighten it all the way, but just to put it, there's enough clearance here, and I think it goes right here. I don't know how it goes. Oh, okay, so probably it will go something like this. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, so I'll do the other side. And these middle spacers, I don't know why they included it. It shows that you don't use it. So I don't know what that means. But anyway, I'll do the other side. Alright, I got the other side put on, no problem. So basically, this will go like this, I think. Yep. It will look like this. Alright, let me put the rest back on. Alright, so I got it installed right here. I mean, it's a little bulky, but it's not a super sport, and I'm gonna use it. It's gonna be useful for me. I'm gonna just put a tail bag. I'm not gonna put a top box, but a tail bag. I ordered like the sleek one. Now, in the package, there are like 4 more screws and then these spacers. So I think those are needed if you have this bottom, like top box bottom thing. But I don't have that, so I'm not gonna need that. And these spacers, I don't know, because I'm looking over here. In this, maybe I can add a spacer, and then it will lower this a little bit. Maybe, yeah, that will make it a little more sleeker looking. So let me try that, see what happens. Alright, so I got everything installed. I try to put the extra spacer here to maybe bring this down, but this is not long enough. I can potentially get like a longer one at Lowe's, but I don't know. I don't think it's worth it. I just use the standard way. Yep, that's it. And then the way I'm gonna do it is, like I said, I'm gonna put a tail bag up here. So look, I got this old tail bag. I'll tie it somehow on there. Should be good enough. And then, so this is what I would use for like deliveries, if I wanted to do deliveries. And then sometimes when you deliver, you get like huge items. So I'll put one item here, and I'll put another item right here, and I'll tie it. So that's why I wanted this top box. But mainly, I'm gonna get a slick bag for the back, and then for like regular riding. And then if I travel, I'll put bags up here, and I can tie it up to here. If I have a passenger, I think I can have a passenger. They can hold on to this. That's about it, guys. So when I get anything new, I will do like another video like this. All right, take care.